Hello all, if you are interfacing ADS1115 to a board like Arduino Uno, and if you are facing problems reading the ADC, there could be several scenarios that might be occurring. So one problem could be, even though you change the values on analog input A0, A1, A2, A3 or whatever, it always reads the same value. This problem could be more related to your SDA and SCL pins reversed between Arduino Uno and ADS1115. So in this scenario, whatever you try to do, the readings will be the same. That's the first point. Now, second point, let us assume your SCL SDA is correct and you are not reading the correct value. Then it could be more related to your slave address. So we are using a library from ADS ADS1115 driver by WH1TE rabbit HU. So we are explaining from this perspective, but if you are using from some other library, it could be the same that you might be seeing. So here, if you see, the first thing is the I2C address is being passed. So now if you go to definition of this, you see various values. Now in the ADS1115 board, your ADDR pin could be connected to VDD, could be connected to ground, could be connected to SDA or SCL. So based on this, the address is going to vary. Now in our board we had address underscore ground. So by default it was address underscore SDA in the library. So we had to change to this. So that is one problem. And second problem, sometimes people play around with this delay, which might be causing a wrong value being read. So that's one more thing. And one more problem could be setting the programmable gain array value. So if your readings are more towards higher values, use as less gain as possible. Like if you go to the definition, okay, and you can see the value multipliers for different values of PGA that are being set. Okay, so you use as low value as possible. If you are getting higher value, if you are giving higher analog values at the input, or if you are expecting from some sensor higher values, use as low gain multiplier as possible, so that would not saturate your sensor and give higher values. And while reading, ensure that you read the correct analog input and not the wrong input. So that could be one more problem. So these are all the different problems that you might see in ADS1115. Check out if any of these would solve this problem. Thank you.